What up, y'all? Welcome to another episode of the Pastry Beer Cooking Show. And today, I'm gonna spice your life up. Now I'm gonna make my jerk seasoning from scratch. So the first thing I'm gonna add to my blender is thyme. I had scallion. I had the Scotch bonnet pepper. And the secret ingredient, which you cannot make jerk seasoning without it, is pimento. But I add molasses to it just to give it color because I don't like to use browning. I had sugar, salt, and then I pour the water and I blend it. So you're pretty much just gonna blend all of those ingredients until they're super smooth.
Pastry Beer TV. Big up.